Welcome to our channel and thank you for tuning in. I am introducing the Ice Core Cold Brew coffee maker from MHW-3Bomber in today's video. Let's start the unboxing. Silicone funnel. The cold brew coffee maker. Certification card. User manual. Let's talk about features and materials used. The maximum capacity is 600 ml. The scale markings are clear and easy to read. The body is made of Triton material that is used in baby bottles, products designated for infants and toddlers. Triton is certified by FDA, NSF and NC standards for food equipment materials. The body is of unique design, a curved triangle to prevent rolling if you decided to place it horizontally in the fridge. To remove the top lid, turn anti-clockwise. Lid is made of ABS material. Underneath the lid, there is a silicone ring for a better seal. Turn anti-clockwise to remove the filter cartridge set from the body. All parts of this filter cartridge set is removable for easy cleaning. Hold this filter cartridge connector and turn the filter cartridge clockwise to remove. This filter cartridge is made of PP material and the mesh is made of nylon and is 300 mesh fine sieve. This bottom lid is made of PP material and also removable by turning anti-clockwise. This cartridge connector is made of PP material. To separate this connector from the center lid, turn clockwise. The bottom part of the cartridge connector is not hollow to prevent coffee grounds from spilling out. This center lid is made of ABS material and a silicone ring is underneath it. The liquid flow can be controlled by turning the top lid. Wider gap equals to faster flow, while smaller gap equals to slower flow. The liquid dispensing is 360 degrees, meaning not from just a certain point. Next, I will show you the steps of cold brew preparation. Remove the filter cartridge and put the silicone funnel on it. I'm using one of the MHW-3Bomber recommended recipes, 1:15 ratio, 40 grams of coffee grounds to 600 ml of room temperature water. You can also add a mixture of water and ice until the 600 ml mark. I'm using the MHW-3Bomber Blade R3 grinder, and again, the recommended setting is 120 clicks or 2 full rounds. As the maximum capacity of the coffee grounds container is less than 30 grams, with the sieve removed, I will therefore grind 2 times. Pour the coffee grounds through the funnel. If any coffee grounds are left around the edges of the funnel, use a brush reserved for coffee to brush it down. Place all parts back and slowly insert the filter cartridge set into the bottle. Tighten the top lid. Place the cold brew maker either vertically or horizontally into your refrigerator for 6 to 12 hours. After refrigerating for 6 to 12 hours, remove the filter cartridge set from the center lid. can now enjoy your cold brew. When it is time to clean after brewing, remove the bottom lid, connector, and discard the coffee grounds. Rinse the filter cartridge and all parts with running water. You can also use a soft sponge with mouth detergent to clean all surfaces. Avoid using a steel wire cleaning ball or similar to avoid damaging the filter mesh and bottle surface. Hopefully you enjoyed this video and found it helpful. If you have any comments or additional information that you would like to share, write them down below. Thanks for your time and watching. Cheers!